Hey y'all, it is Monday evening. Just got home from the gym. Had a great day at work. My butterfly garden continues to surprise me. So, of course, I have something to show you. Let's go. So y'all, like after work when I came home, I just did a little walk through the garden, did some exploring. Right. I was looking around and I noticed my little potted Woolly Dutchman's pipevine plant that I potted with you all not long ago. And this is what I saw. And I was about to lose my mind. Like, did the rats really get up here? I mean, I've never seen them eat pipevine. But then as I looked around, it was not the rats. Because if you look right here, you have these little guys. I mean, they're big. Well, they're bigger. How did they get here? I feel like I just potted this. So, I don't know what I'm going to do because there's not enough here. Well, actually, I do know what I'm going to do. It's going to be a real quick fix. You ready for this? Okay, ready for the magic? Just going to set this little potted one in there. It's got some more leaves on it. And I'll just tuck them through there, hang them down there, and then that should keep them sustained for a little bit longer, and we'll go from there. I can't even believe it. Look at how adorable. Okay, well, they'll be well fed for a little bit. So cute. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday morning. I'm just coming down to check on my little caterpillar friends. Remember that I put the potted plant in the hanging basket for the little polydamas caterpillars. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks like they're still on the same leaf. They're so cute. There's one peeking over the edge. Look at those sweet babies. All right, well, they're looking good and they still got plenty of leaves. So I will see them after work. Munch away, little guys. You guys remember all of my bronze fennel and fennel that I have in pots all over the yard? You notice anything on this one? This is in the enclosure, like in the butterfly haven. Not an enclosure, but just sitting out here in the butterfly haven. And this is in a pot out in my garden. Notice anything? This is in another pot in my garden. This is in another pot in my garden. And another pot. And another pot. And another pot. I don't think that all my fennel and dill has grown fast enough to feed all that. Oh my goodness. I might have to place an order with Joyful Butterfly. Maybe they won't all hatch. So anyway, we'll see. I just thought that was fun. So I'm gonna head to work now. Hey y'all, good morning. It is Wednesday morning. Do you see what's coming back on my patio? Well, those weeds, they're all growing back. They're so fast. Why can't milkweed grow that fast? I feel like this video might be kind of like Groundhog Day. Like every day I get up and we walk out to check on the polydamas caterpillars, and then that's it. Like, I don't know, did I film anything last night? I know I was editing, so this might be a fun funny video. Today is orientation day, so I get to meet my students, well, the ones that come, for the first time, so that will be fun and interesting. And let's go check on caterpillars. I don't know what that noise is. There's some kind of truck. Maybe one of those spray trucks. There should be an ordinance that you can't make loud noises in neighborhoods until after 9 o'clock. All right, so we have babies. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love these guys because they get so chunky. They're adorable. There's only one. Nope, there's more. They're starting to spread out. I only see 2. Oh no. No. Where are the other ones? Oh my gosh. See, here we go. It's this thing with me. You can't take them all in. You can't take them all in. But I could take 2 in. Look how cute he is. Oh my gosh. Oh, all right, I'll make a decision after work. I gotta go to work. I'll see you later. You stay there. Don't you disappear. Same with you, Booger. You stay there. Maybe I'll come home from work and the other 2 will be back. That's what we're going to hope for. Okay, y'all. Do you see what's happening here? I mean, they're on the little pot. They're both on this plant, so it's real easy to move. And I have an enclosure inside that's empty. So why not? It's only 2, right? It's only 2 of them. Hey y'all, it's Wednesday and I just got home from work. We had our orientation tonight, so I met almost all of my students, so that was cool, and their parents. And so tomorrow's one more work day, and then the whole thing starts on Friday. That's right, Friday. Friday's the first day of school for the kids. And then we have a weekend. It's kind of nice. So I'm just going to go peek and see how everyone is in the enclosures and just kind of walk through and see if anything needs water real quick. I did pull down all of the passion vine that was up there. Oh look, there's a polka dot wasp moth. I'll have to get him out. But I pulled down all the vine and I got all the fruit out. The plant's still here. I just pulled all the vine with some of the fruit. There's a fruit right here. Just to keep anyone from coming in. I still have to patch up the holes here. But you like my bracelet? It's the rubber band bracelet. It's a teacher look. Isn't that great? But I did find 2 baby caterpillars out in the garden, and I did stick them in here on the twine vine. But they're little, so they shouldn't be climbing up to the top yet. So let me see if I can find them. Oh, you know what? I just noticed. Remember I said I had a queen and 2 monarchs in here? And the 2 monarchs were J hanging, but I didn't know what happened to the queen. Look. How happy this makes me. The chrysalis is right there. So the queen made it. Yay. Okay, but I don't see the other 2 new babies. Y'all, I found one of them. I think it's blurry. Put my hand behind it so it'll come into focus. See that sweet little baby? So the other one's probably in here somewhere too. Hey y'all, it's Thursday after work and I just got home and I'm just coming out to check the garden, did some watering, some work with seeds, and I saw the most gorgeous male giant swallowtail out here. So I just came running out. I'm hoping that I can find him. There's a beautiful monarch too. Looks like it's brand new. All right, let me try and find. Oh, here he is. He's right here. Let's go see him. He's gorgeous. Look at this guy. Hello. Oh, he does. He looks a little ragged. Maybe he's not brand new, but he's still gorgeous all the same. They all are, faded or not. Look at him. He's huge too. Look at that wingspan. Hello. You know what I love about these guys is that they're very brave. Like, I can get like right up close to them and nothing's gonna stop them from getting their nectar. Like, the monarchs don't shoo them away, golf fiddlers, nobody. They're like, just don't even try. I'm the biggest. Well, actually it's not the biggest, but you know, to me, I think that the eastern tiger swallowtails look bigger than the giants. I think the giants are the biggest because of their wingspan, but overall size, like per square centimeter, I guess, of surface area, I think that the tiger swallowtails are bigger. All right, I'm gonna go see what else is going on in the garden. Thank you for letting us hang out with you, mister. Looks like we're getting some eggs. Hey everyone, it is Saturday afternoon and I'm just doing a quick pan of my garden because I can definitely tell that I have not been out here wandering through every day with my clippers in my hands, and it has become very overgrown and wild looking. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time sweating, trimming, and moving things around. And then I'm going to pan again and let you see the after. Hey everyone, it's Sunday morning. I worked so hard yesterday. So now I'm going to go through and do a pan of my garden for after and see if you notice things. Plus I'm going to show you what's right here that goes right along with that. And there's a fourth one down at the other end of the garden. I filled 4. Okay, here comes the panorama. So exactly what all did I do? Well, that's a story for my next video. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Subscribe. Tap the like button. Thank you so much for watching my videos.